name's Alex Whittick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a different type of video. I'm going to be leaving my house. We're not touching the purple Mark V today, and we're going to be heading out to my buddy's shop, and he's going to be wrapping an FRS bumper. And yeah, it's going to be really exciting, and I have to drive over an hour away from my house, but we're going to film this and stay along for the ride. Alright, I just got in my ice box, aka my Mark 6 TDI. It's freezing in here. It's 32 degrees outside, but feels way colder because we got serious wind chill. I'm just really excited for the summer months to be coming because I'm over this cold. I like to ski and stuff like that, but I've been so focused on filming that I'm just like, yo, I cannot film stuff in the cold that I would want to be filming right now. So I'm just really excited for the warmth to come and to see where this YouTube channel leads me. Alright guys, I got here safe and sound. Literally only took me 45 minutes to get here. It said it was going to take about 55 minutes, so you know, we were doing a little over the speed limit. But got my buddy's R32 right there. Can't see it because the lighting's trash, but we're going to head inside and check out this bumper. The lighting is A1 in here, guys. We got this FRS bumper ready to be wrapped. Wrapping in some kind of metallic brown type color. I don't really know. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if your friends might like to see content like this, share it to them. But
it's right here, son.
Ooh, all right. Uncovering it. Oh, that is some beautiful material we were working with. A1. Yeah, that's some nice stuff. Guys, this is how you do right here. This is how you pop the sealer. Nice. Ooh, okay. Murph, what is this stuff?
Well, usually it's frowned upon. It's called, you know, right there, primer 94. Just an adhesion promoter, but it's fiberglass, so it's not, the wrap's not gonna stick that well to the back. Need a little extra stickage, you know.
Beautiful. You gotta put on all the edges where the fiberglass is gonna be connecting with the wrap, so that the wrap will stick better to the bumper. This is a full fiberglass aftermarket bumper. It's really nice. We want to make sure everything sticks perfectly. Laying it down for the inlays. Justin's heating up the material so he can stretch the material for the inlay so it's literally seamless.
Oh, you mean
and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover the whole thing, do all the inlays, and then we're gonna lay the material over the top of it. A1. Guys, the man knows what he's doing and you gotta trust the craft. Look at that inlay. Man knows what he's doing, and as you can see, it's gonna pull on this right here. And it's going to pull the whole thing so it's going to be round and all that material is just going to disappear. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. That's just a small step in all the many inlays to come. Guys, as you can see, we're limited on light, but we're doing our best. This is absolutely insane. Murph does a great job every time.
Worst color to wrap on too, white.
Worst.
One little edge. See that shit.
See it. But he's doing a great job. He's doing a great job. Guys, I was gonna run to Starbucks, and I was like, Justin, you want anything from Starbucks? He's like, oh, dude, they actually gave me an extra coffee. So I ran over to his car, grabbed this caramel macchiato. Thanks to this guy right here. He's doing the other side inlay. Nice made. Nice freaking made. Finish that inlay. Starting this cup inlay over here. He's doing this section right now on the opposite side. Guys, I don't understand how he does it. If you guys are rappers out there, let me know in the comments, because it's actually a serious craft and I respect it. So I've just literally been chilling on this couch right next to, you know, this carbon fiber lip, just doing my thing. observing the man, the myth, the legend, doing his thing over here. And let's go inspect this inlay. Ooh, okay. So right now he's laying this piece right here, and the man does not mess around. Just gets it nice and rough, and then right when he's ready to smoothen everything out, does whatever he does. I don't know how to rap, but you see how he's doing a great job. Make sure you always clean up your workspace, because there's nothing worse than a dirty workspace. Justin always makes sure that his area is clean afterwards. That's key. Hitting the dip, lights out. Beautiful. I don't even know if you guys can see me, but it's super dark out here. And there's New York City, right there. Oof, okay. Little R32 action.
Yeah, exhaust when that income tax refund comes back.
Ooh, he's getting the exhaust when the tax refund comes back. I like that idea, bud.
Oh, shit.
Alrighty guys, so I just got home. I'm in the garage with Tilted. I'm planning out some videos for this week, and the video is now over, guys, but I really want to thank you for sticking along. Let me know in the comments if you like that type of content. I know vinyl rapping isn't what I do, but it's what my friend does on the side. He's a full-time vinyl rapper as his normal job, and he's just rapping that bumper for one of our friends who just got a bumper in. And if you guys like that content, please let me know down in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. If your friends might be into something like this, share that to them. If your friends might laugh at something like this, share it to them. But guys, if you want to follow my Instagram or my TikTok, I post fun little videos on my TikTok. A lot of you guys that subscribe to me already follow my TikTok, but it's at tilted_TDI. Guys, keep smiling. Don't let anyone get you down. Love what you do, and let's keep going. All right, I'll see you guys later.